Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 45. Teach your children good manners.
The way that we treat other people is often a reflection of how we see ourselves and expect to be treated. Many people don't really like themselves very much, and so treat other people poorly as well. One of the signs of this that we see in our society is the deterioration of good manners, and generally, a lack of consideration toward our fellow man. Good manners are never out of vogue in a culture such as ours, as they are one of the cords that strengthen interpersonal relationships. Simply saying, please and thank you, can make all the difference in exchanges between people and pave the way to better communication. When people say, thank you, when you have done something for them, it gives you a sense of being appreciated, and you will be much more open to exchanges with that person in the future. When requests come with a please, it often opens the door wider than the same request without one. Saying excuse me to someone if you need to get past them in an aisle is far better than dropping the shoulder and charging. A pardon me never goes astray if you happen to burp during a family meal, and shows a level of respect for those dining with you. Children should also be taught that it is good manners to offer their seat to an adult, and especially older people, if there are none left on a bus trip, etc. Our world could certainly benefit from more chivalry in society, or just plain good manners. Good manners are one of the basic ways that our children learn to show respect for authority, and should be encouraged consistently throughout their lives to continue in it.
Suggested action.
Teach your children good manners from an early age, and they will grow up and make you proud. Remember, your own example is the best way for them to learn.
Scripture references.
Proverbs chapter 20 verse 11. Even a child is known by his deeds, whether what he does is pure and right.
Father's testimony.
When I come home, my daughter will run to the door and give me a big hug, and everything that's happened that day just melts away. Hugh Jackman. Actor.